is your boy Coach Sambo right here, and we're at the Battle Droids Factory right now, and we're having a concrete session with no one other than Stepper from the Ruggeds, and he's right here giving us some footwork drills, and come check this out with us. Stepper, man, so what do you think of all these power heads doing footwork right now?
I think it's nice, and I actually think because they're really strong, they can train for a longer time than maybe other people that start doing footwork. But yeah, it's great. It's nice.
Yo.
Tell us about what you're learning with Stepper.
I'm learning footwork, like 3-step, but like a little bit slower. So it's not on the beat, but it's a little bit after the beat. So it's also nice.
You know that today we're not allowed to do any power moves?
Yeah.
It's okay, right?
For me, it's okay.
Yeah, it's cool. Yo, Lars, I see you're sweating pretty hard, man. Tell us, what is Stepper doing to you?
He's killing me, mentally and physically.
What's the exercise you just gave them?
They have to do CCs from one side to the other side of the floor. They have to be on the rhythm. They have to change up the tempo. They have to change the pattern. They have to change their own CC, create their own CCs, and while they are doing this.
Yo, Anthony.
Yo.
Tell us about the footwork experience right now.
Yo, it's sick, man. Because especially we're not like real footworkers, so it's a good idea to have footwork workshop. So.
What's your favorite concept?
The ticking one. We need to like kick your feet.
Tap your feet?
Yeah. That's sick.
Flex, to all the kids that think that Battle Droids crew is just a crew that does power moves, what do you have to say to them?
You may see us do a lot of power moves, but don't be brainwashed by the power moves. And know the importance of the footworks.
Stepper, what's the concept right now?
Their feet is sticking to the floor, so they can't move this one. It has to stay on the floor, and then they have to grab.
Sick. Diego, who would win a battle? Somebody who does a double air flare or somebody with good footwork?
Good footwork.
Exactly. So after investing years and years of training in technique, body control, power moves and all of that, we're starting to invest more and more time into footwork, floor work, basically making these guys more and more all around. So what's really important for me as the coach is for these guys to understand that, because we've been doing a lot of power moves, and a lot of people know us because of power moves, people think that we give power moves more value than other categories. But of course, these guys all know one by one that footwork and power moves have exactly the same value. So if you're teaching kids and you're coaching, just make sure that you learn them the power moves. You want to make sure that they can do all power moves, but they have to understand that power moves are not more important than footworks or top rocks or freezes or even blow-ups or go-downs or whatever. Everything has the same value. Yo, Liam, aka the professor, tell me, are Stepper's methods working for you?
Yeah, for me they are.
What's going on? Let me see. Holy moly! Holy moly! Everybody's hand is dying. What's that?
It's blood. It's blood from one of the
Is it your
Battle
blood?
Droids. No, it's not mine.
One of the droids.
One of the droids.
Droids don't bleed. So as you can see right now, everybody's working really productive, and Stepper has some really cool concepts for these guys. They're finding some new moves, they're getting out of their comfort zone, and I strongly recommend you guys to do the same if you're teaching kids. Bring some extra guests in, let them share their knowledge with your kids, and so they have, fresh inspiration so they can, regenerate new moves. So Stepper, tell us about this workshop, man.
We did the whole workshop. It was a 2-hour, pretty intense workout / concepts. We started off with controlling a lot of stuff, balancing on your left foot, balancing on your right foot, knowing where to place your hands, knowing how to put your feet, knowing how to be straight. Afterwards, we did a lot of drills, different footworks, left side, right side, a lot of variations. They had to do it on the music. Then we did on the music and traveling over the floor. Afterwards, we started being creative with the concepts. That's it.
Camille, tell us about our concrete footwork session today.
Our footwork session was really dope. I think this was just what we needed. Some good footwork fundamentals, and now our minds can go exploding with the footworks.
And now we can go back to double air flare.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that was it for today. We had a great session. I want to thank Stepper right here from the Ruggeds, representing it, coming helping us out at the Battle Droids Factory. The Battle Droids learned a lot of stuff, and it was a great time. So thank you, Stepper, my man. Hope to see you again soon. And if you want some good quality footwork workshops, just book this guy right here. And if you want some good quality power move workshops, just book this guy right here.